Lexus South Pointe is offering this pre-owned 2010 Lexus GX 460 Ultra Premium package in Black Onyx with Sepia interior. It's an all-wheel drive, large-size SUV that's powered by a V8 4.6-liter engine that produces 301 horsepower with third-row capability and seating for 7. It also has towing capacity of 6,500 pounds. Features specific to this trim level include pre-collision system with driver monitor control. See those 4 pink dots just past the steering wheel? It monitors the blinking of the driver's eyes so you stay alert while driving. Lane departure alert. Dynamic radar cruise control. GX 460 will speed up or slow down automatically while maintaining distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Dual rear screen, rear seat DVD entertainment. Heated second row outer seats. Rear air suspension with auto leveler. It also has off-roading features like crawl control and multi-terrain select. And lastly, headlight washers and body side cladding. 2 noteworthy items to mention. This is the top of the line trim level of the 2 available, and this was also the first year of the next generation GX 460 body style back in 2010. It has just over 178,000 kilometers. It has been serviced regularly at a Lexus dealership going all the way back to 2010. Here are 4 screenshots showing the service history, and when looking at the Carfax, it shows a clean history, which is very desirable for a vehicle like this. For more information or to set up a test drive, call us at 780-989-2222 or email sales@lexussouthpointe.com. Check the description field for more information about this vehicle and our dealership. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.